Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into some major shifts in Power Platform governance, and specifically, what you, as admins, need to be doing right now. So, let's start with the headline. Microsoft has officially announced that the CoE Starter Kit is entering a no more investment phase. Essentially, active maintenance has now ceased. Launched in 2019, the kit was a total game changer. It was this fantastic community-driven toolkit that helped us manage the explosion of low-code assets for years. But why the change? Well, Microsoft has finally baked those critical governance capabilities directly into the product. They're now native, fully supported, and honestly, they're just easier to manage. Think about the unified inventory. It gives you real-time visibility across your entire tenant, without any of those old sync flow headaches. It just works. And the new usage pages? They're replacing those old dashboards with up-to-the-minute data on how your apps and flows are actually being used. Managed environments add even more muscle, giving you things like weekly usage reports, sharing limits, and native DLP policies that enforce your rules automatically. Then there's the advisor. It's proactive, spotting issues like orphaned flows and letting you automate cleanup tasks that used to be manual. For ALM, the CoE Accelerator is now deprecated. Microsoft is moving everyone toward pipelines for a much more integrated and supported experience. Security is moving in product too, with native IP firewalls, and while a few areas like bulk actions still live in the kit, native features are filling those gaps fast. This is a significant transition. So, what's the practical roadmap for your team? We recommend a simple two-phase approach. Phase 1. Stabilize. Audit the CoE components you're still using and make sure you're on the latest release to avoid any known bugs. At the same time, get hands-on with the admin center. Turn on managed environments and really explore those native inventory features. Looking further out, over the next year or two, you really should have a roadmap to retire the CoE kit entirely. It's time to start redesigning your processes around native monitoring and ALM. Just remember, a successful CoE is about more than just a toolkit. It's about your people, your processes, and your policies. Focus on those. For more technical guides, head over to mwpro.co.uk and subscribe to the channel for more technical explainers. Happy governing!